Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Crock-Pot Artisan round enameled cast iron Dutch oven, a stunning 7-quart kitchen essential in a beautiful pistachio green. This versatile Dutch oven is perfect for slow cooking, simmering, braising, baking, and so much more, making it a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. Crafted from durable cast iron, it retains and distributes heat evenly, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. The porcelain enamel finish not only adds a touch of elegance but is also easy to clean and naturally non-stick, making your cooking experience hassle-free. With its round shape and matching lid, this Dutch oven is designed to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen. Hand washing is recommended to maintain its pristine condition, ensuring it remains a staple in your cooking arsenal for years to come. So, whether you're preparing a hearty stew or a delicate sauce, the Crock-Pot Artisan Dutch Oven is your go-to for delicious results. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.